Hey guys, welcome to Online Market. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. Let's get started with the video. Top 3 Best Angle Ratchet. Number 3 Electric Wrench Angle Drill Screwdriver. Product details. Brand name Qinghui. Usage Home DIY. Type Rechargeable electric wrench. Power source Electricity. Origin Mainland China. Number 2, 180 Nm Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench. Product details. Brand name Qinghui. Motor type brushed. Usage Home DIY. Power source battery. No load speed 2800 RPM. Max torque 185 Nm. Rated voltage 18 V. Type Rechargeable electric wrench. Power source Electricity. Origin Mainland China. Number 1. Cordless Electric Impact Wrench. Product details. Brand name Hormi. Usage Home DIY. Frequency 0 to 225 minutes. Model number. Wrench. Type Impact Wrench. Power source Electricity. Origin Mainland China.